Now to your health, there's new groundbreaking research that shows the mind-skin connection is real. So researchers discovered how we feel and interact with each other can actually have a major impact on skin health.
Wow, that's the purpose of a new awareness campaign when it comes to sensitive skin. Dr. Weinstein is a leading expert in psychodermatology. She joins us live to break down some of the new findings. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah,
Of
really
course.
interested in digging into this topic.
Yeah, it's
I've
interesting.
never heard of psychodermatology. So talk to us about this new report and what we found.
Yeah, absolutely. So Aveeno launched the State of Skin Sensitivity Report because we know, and as a board certified dermatologist, I can guarantee you, I see it every day in clinic, that sensitive skin is real and has a tremendous impact on quality of life. And so in this report, 71% of adults across all ethnicities reported to have sensitive skin. This is a striking 55% increase in just the past 2 decades. So, the mind-skin connection is real, and we're seeing it play out here in this report.
What's a good example of exactly what the mind-skin connection is? I mean, is it just how we're feeling, and then what's the consequence of that? If I'm feeling a certain way, my skin reacts a certain way.
Yeah, so you hit the nail on the head. So with, your thoughts and emotions, first of all, the mind-skin connection is formed at birth. So there's actually an embryologic origin to it. And so like I was saying, our thoughts and emotions, if they're negative especially, can form these chemical reactions in our skin, creating an inflammatory response. So on the skin physically, that can look like redness, dryness, irritation. If you're prone to conditions like psoriasis, eczema, if you're a cancer patient, all of these things can show on your skin. And the number one thing, which I think, again, we're all feeling these days, is stress. And so certainly that stress can also trigger inflammation on the skin and make you break out. We've all had it happen before. So that is the mind-skin connection.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I know I'm thinking of things, hives, breakouts, lots of things that I've experienced personally, that can tie into some of that stress. And then it's kind of a vicious cycle, because if you're experiencing a rash or eczema or any issues on your skin, chances are you're going to get more stressed out about what you're experiencing, and it just can make it worse. So I know Aveeno's got this new campaign to try and kind of change the way that people perceive sensitive skin. So tell us about that.
Yeah, that's right. You're exactly right. The way your skin looks can affect your confidence and sort of, your projection to the world. And so Aveeno's campaign is amazing. Basically, we're asking viewers to post their story, start the conversation, share the narrative, and use the hashtag #ProudlySensitiveSkin. And that way we can sort of raise awareness about sensitive skin and let people know that there's help and there's ways to manage it. More information about the report and also about this campaign can be found at aveeno.com.
Great. It's great information. Interesting to learn about. I've never thought of the mind-skin connection like that, but I could also understand, like to your point, it can kind of be that vicious cycle. So it makes
Yeah.
sense to look into it. Dr. Weinstein, thank you so much for taking the time to join us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. And to learn more about the mind-skin connection study, you can go to aveeno.com.
Yeah, I was one of those kids that I would get stressed and get hives, and I've taken an oatmeal bath or two, just trying to calm it down.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
fascinating. Fascinating research. All right.